Hi, welcome back to my channel. During Amazon Prime days, I bought a lot of stuff that I can't even count, and it was a crazy shopping experience. But today I want to share with you some of the smaller items that I have purchased during Amazon Prime days. So the first one is this Sony's headphone. I'll put the name on the screen. I think it was something like 1000 something, XM4, not the newest one. They have the XM5, I believe, but they changed the design. I do prefer this one better. I haven't able to try the new one at the store, so I'm not sure how well it fit me, so I decided to just go with the XM4, and I really love this one. Previously I owned the XM3, and look at my ears. I have a bigger ear, so with this one, after I tested so many different headphones, this one is the most comfortable for people like me who has big ears that stick out. Sony headphone. If you have big ears and you always find headphones uncomfortable to wear, try Sony's headphone. It's really good, and the noise cancelling is amazing on this headphone. So anyway, let's talk more about bag stuff, right? So one thing I bought is this Tokonole. I believe this is how it pronounced. Not sure. I believe it's a Japanese product. It's called Burnishing Gum. It's supposed to that you can use this to burnish the raw edges of the leather, or when you have the hairy back at the behind the back strap that you want to smooth it a little bit. I heard that you can use this cream to kind of rub on it for a while to smooth that out. I haven't tried it. As you can see, it's still sealed inside. Life is too busy. I haven't tried yet, but I may show you on the video at some point, and if you want to know the result, let me know. And then I also bought these rivets. Come with many different colors. The reason I wanted to buy this because my vintage bag, the vintage Coach bag, the rivets came off and the handle just fell off. So I decided to pick this up. Then later on, when I have time, I can repair that. And then the other thing I want to show you is the Grommet Kits. It has 4 different color tones. This one, I already used it. I did use it on this KMM bag that I think this is KMM's ready to ship bag, and because it was pre-made and ready to ship, so it didn't come with the button closure or the grommet on the side for the crossbody straps. So with this kit, I was able to add the grommet here. It's not as sophisticated as the 1KM use, but it get the job done, and now I can use this bag as a crossbody bag. I have been wanting to use this bag for a while. This is a really nice navy leather from them. If you like thick leather, their navy leather is really great. And now with installing this snap button and the grommet, I can start using this bag. Next, I bought a few bag organizers. Since I have like countless bags, it's true I cannot count how many bags I have right now. So bag organizer is essential. The first one, I already use it in my Marc Jacobs tote bag. When I unbox this, I'll be honest with you, with this shiny texture, it kind of reminded me of the plastic trash bag that I use, but this is a leather one. But because it is shiny, it's kind of have that feeling. Especially when it came out of the shipping box, it was squished and smashed together. It just didn't look the best. But now I put the bag organizer inside. You can see it kind of fluff up. It looks more energetic. Definitely looks better with the bag organizer inside. Let's take it out. I can't remember exactly the size of this organizer I'm showing today, but I will put it in the description. If you need a bag organizer for certain bags, you can check out the description area. Let me take it out, the strap. So this is the smaller one I bought in this brown tone color. Have so many compartments, even outside. One outside, and then 3 outside on this side. So, and the middle one is attached by using the Velcro tape. So you can tear it out. And I like that this one comes with this kind of a key holder lanyard thing that can hook on your key. And then this one also has a zip pocket. The zipper is super smooth. Some of the bag organizer, they have the zipper pocket attached to this kind of removable compartment. But personally, I like that when they make the zip pocket that attached to the bag organizer, so that if you put things, important things like your wallet or your key, people are not able to pull it out. Usually I don't use the middle compartment. I usually detach that so that I have more space, because it's already have so many pockets, so many slip pockets that is enough for most of the things that I need, and I have this big space that I can put my camera and stuff. So this is a smaller size one, and then I have also the medium size one. It's the same. You can pull the middle compartment out, then you will have more space. I'm not sure they made by same company or not. They probably all made from the same factory in China, because the construction is very similar. Except this one, the key fob thing is removable. The whole thing you can remove. If you don't like to have a key fob things that will hook on your key, you can remove this. So for this largest bag organizer I got from the Prime days, this one is a little bit different. It has this flap that you can Velcro it close, so that if you have any open totes like Dior book tote or like Coach Dempsey, you have any tote that have this kind of open tote on top, you can use this one, so that if you need, you can close it, then people cannot reach in to get your stuff. When you don't use it, you are able to fold it to the side, but it does block off the slip pocket and the zip pocket here. And in the middle, it does have this removable slip pockets compartments. For this one, because how big the size is, I would suggest to just keep it, because of the size is a little bit thicker, so it's good for keeping the shape of this bag organizer. And for this one, I have used it on my Coach Dempsey tote, Field Tote 40. This is not the first one I bought. I can show you that previously I bought this one for my LV On-The-Go GM tote. It fits really well inside. And for On-The-Go GM on-prong leather, it's kind of like a pebble leather. So if you use it a lot, it does soften and get a little slouchy. I have seen it in the store, other people's On-The-Go tote that look very out of shape and slouchy. So that's not the look I'm after. I feel like for On-The-Go, it looks better with this kind of structural look. So this one fit in perfectly, and it does help to keep the shapes. If you have an On-The-Go GM, you can consider getting this one. It really works and cheaper than other more expensive brand, and you can get it on Amazon. The thing I love about getting bag organizer on Amazon is they ship to you in a couple days. Previously, I considered get bag organizer from Etsy or Samoga or something. Not just that the price is higher, also usually you wait a week or two. I think They was also shipped from China or something. I'm not sure about where they ship from, but it took a while. So with bag organizer on Amazon, you can just bought it and within a day or two you get it. So I love the fast shipping, right? I mean, we all love fast shipping. Anyway, thanks for joining me today, looking through some of the items I got from Amazon Prime Days, and I hope you like some of these items. And if you want to buy some, you can go check out my description. I have referral links there, and sometimes they do get on sale, even though right now it's not Prime Days. You know, Amazon stuff, they get on sale all the time. So, and I'll talk to you again soon then. Bye.